Access the Map section to view models present in the Layers folder on the scene. Manage models through the BIM Layer section. Zoom in on the model or open it in usBIM.browser. Show or hide the model on the map. Search for an address or location using the search bar. Manage the ArcGIS Layer Functionality panel, Layer, Legend and Ground if the connection with Esri's ArcGIS is active. Choose and customize the scene view with different base map types. Experiment with various lighting conditions by setting the date and time according to your needs. Simulate environmental and atmospheric conditions to assess design choices and potential variations.